Optimized stabilization performance in 4K 60. I mean, it was stable anyway. Image more stable and auto lens smoother. You're going to find out. Optimized stability shooting stage met under high temperatures and improved the experience shooting stage sense. It was okay, I guess. Optimize the smoothness of the camera zoom. Oh, we're going to test that. Optimize the clarity. Optimize basically everything. Multimedia. Fix the issue where the sound actually no, it was okay. Optimize system operation. More, and more. We're going to test it out. Wide angle lens, and a bit of colors for you. Video stabilization, slow motion, cinema portrait. Definitely an improvement. Smooth video get even smoother. Link in the description. Best camera in the market.